Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have Ford security system. This one you can get it installed on the early Ford car like E350, Crown Victoria, Lincoln Town. I don't know. Yeah, the older cars. You talk about 1990. 95, 2000, 2001. Anyhow, this Ford, this software, this alarm is coming like this. And if you notice here, this is a diagram for it. You see here, you have those pins. The color white is ground, red and black horn ground. That means when you push the button, it beep. The most important is pay attention to this one. Is it called red and blue coming from the key, red going to the motor. And if you look here, this is the wire that they're talking about it. So the red and blue is coming from the key. You see this wire here? The wires that coming from the starter, from the ignition switch, you cut it, and it's coming from the key is gonna go here, and the one that's go inside when you arm the car, this one here will like the continuity here will be cut off, and then there will no power going to the starter. So when you push the button to unlock the car, for example, security will be disabled, and the power, when you crank it, the power pass through here and go to the starter. I just want to talk about this one. So this piece here, we took it off Crown Victoria, maybe 2000 or 2001 or something like that. Good. Now, when you lose and this one here is the sensitivity, like the sensor. If something happens, and you can adjust it with here, how sensitive you want it, like hitting like this, like it take power all the way to this connector here. So that means if you disconnect this one here, there will be no any sensor. Just the alarm will trick when you open the door, for example. But if this one is here, even if a heavy car go by or a thunderstorm, it will trick this one, send signal to activate the alarm. And we're gonna come back to this one. Sometime and here is the indicator light. As soon as you see this is cut off, because I cut it, I took it out. It's coming from these 3 wires. They connect it here directly. So this one here is you put it on the dashboard, and it LED light, it will light up blinking, or it stay steady. We have a fuse here for either the power that going to the parking light, because if the parking light have a short, or full power, like the feed power, the main power, it depends. It could be a main power. You don't want the system go bad or destroy. Here we have a switch. They call it valet switch. With this one here, you can turn the ignition on and push this on one time. It will disable the alarm. You can start the car. If you locate this one, it's supposed to be somewhere in the car. And as soon as you have it, you found this one, and the car doesn't want to crank, or the alarm kick on, and you don't have the remote, or your remote transmitter is bad, turn the key on, push it one time. It will disable the alarm, and the car will start. Suppose it doesn't want to work. You don't have this connector, and this also, if you notice here, is coming from this area here, I believe, right? Also, it's coming from the same area, the big connector here. They all built in here. Okay. Now, if this doesn't work, all you need to do is disconnect this one here and jump 2 wire here. Get a like anything, or cut this wire here and connect it together. You see this? Don't cut it. Just take it, slice out, and twist it so that the continuity here become correctly. So even if the alarm is working, now you have the ability to start the car. Yes, you have Also, you can take this computer. You see, this is Ford alarm, and look at some model number. Okay, you see maybe this one here, or that the part number maybe. Anyhow, there is a place that even by taking the picture and Google it, you will get the part number for this one, and you will get the remote for it. Ford vehicle security, or you can just put the year model of the car, and then you will get it on eBay or Amazon. And then when you buy it, be sure that you buy this with the manual. It have a repair manual or instruction, something like that, how to program it if you want to keep this with you. But if the car is 20-year-old, 15-year-old, I don't know who is going to steal it in right now or try to get it away with it or anything. But this is like in case you get into trouble, the car doesn't want to start and everything messed up with you. This is the simple step to go with it to start your car. Yes, this is in case you lost your remote and the car doesn't want to start, and you have the same module hanging there. Yes, this is for today. Please subscribe, share, and like. And you have any question, feel free to ask. And if you have the same alarm, you have the remote and you need it, you can email me or send me a message. I want to see if I can send it to you. You can change it with the one that you have it, or you need to change the switch, or you need the switch. Let me know if it's still available. If it's not, also I will give you a link where you can get them. And be safe and enjoy your ride. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.